Hello people, again welcome back to this new video. Today we will learning some new things. Here I am in the platform of CPA Lead, and when you click on landing pages and browse landing pages. So here I am. Here you are able to see many landing pages which are pre-made. These landing pages were made by some of the people and they put it here, and when someone promote these landing pages, 5% commission is for the creator of this landing page, whosoever has created. So today topic is we will be creating landing page like this. First you have to come to landing pages and create. You have to click on this. After clicking, whichever what type of landing page you want to create, just choose the one. Let's go with ebook locker. Now here is the form that you have to fill. So before coming in, you should be prepared in order to do it fast. So what you will need: image, and then uh, file which you will be locking here. So this is the file that I have downloaded from PLR, free PLR. You can get it from there, or if you want then you can create your own. So this is the one. Let's move on. At first give your page name. Yes, here is the page name. Then after that, uh, brand title ebook. Yes, leave it as ebook. Then choose the file. This is the file. Small header, the best book on dating. Again large header, what you want to keep. Okay, this is the one, how to date any girl. Again ebook description. Let me choose it from here. Give ebook description. Yes, we are done. Download ebook. We have written download ebook now. Learn title, thing you will learn from this ebook. So I am prepared with this things you will learn. Let me copy this thing and paste it here. Title 1, what women want. Title 2, okay, next. Title 3, yes. Now we are done. Again if you wish then you can give a description of each title. I will leave it. Now testimonial title, what people are saying. Testimonial subtitle, okay, I will leave. Okay, so I will delete this one. This is the title 1, testimony 1. Again this is testimonial 2. Okay, next here you have to give the file where from where the person will download. So uh, here I have already uploaded it in my Google Drive. You can also do the same thing, and just you have to get a link from here, so that it will be a shareable link. Click on this file, click here, click on share. Here you have to change it. Okay, change it to anyone with the link, and then copy the link. Done. Just paste that link over in this place. We are done. Again waiting confirmation payout. You don't need anything. Download ebook today. Download it. Let it be like that. We are almost done. If you wish you can change the color, background color, theme color. Okay, so I don't need anything else. To preview, save and preview it. So here is our ebook ready. The best how to date an eagle. Here is our description. Download button. Things you will learn. This is the one. It is not removed. You have to remove from there. Again, two testimonials. How to date an eagle. Download ebook. When someone click on this, then they can download their ebook. But before that, they have to complete offer, which will be shown. Let us see. If someone click on this button, then unlock option will come. There they will be able to see the offer, and when they complete this offer, then ebook will be downloaded to their system. If you have completed everything, then just click on finish. If not, then keep editing. Okay, get link and start to promote. But before start to promote, you have to come here on manage. Click on manage. So this is the landing page that you have created, and in order to list in marketplace so that other can also promote it, and from where you will be able to generate money, just click on add to marketplace and add page and submit it for review. Now your page has been submitted, and they will, when they will approve it, then someone other person can also promote. When the promoter earn commission, you will be also getting 5% out of it. So in this way, just start creating your landing pages. It's simple and easy, and start to earn. Thank you.